front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Display. When you're ready, scroll again and this time tap on Display Size and Text available here. Now operate this slider under font size to adjust it and check out Preview at the top. Your changes will be automatically applied, so when I go back, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!